Deforestation is defined as the clearing of massive amounts of trees through accidental or deliberate means.
Natural disasters, including forest fires and hurricanes, do contribute to deforestation, but not nearly as much as humans. Humans clear forests for a large variety of reasons, all of which are beneficial for us in the short term but devastating for the environment in the long term. Some of the main reasons that deforestation occurs are to clear land for farming, livestock grazing, mining and drilling, and urbanization. Such actions provide us with short-term resources and leave us with long-term problems. Logging operations also endanger trees in order to obtain timber for wood and paper products. Illegal logging is an important problem as well, and leads to unchecked deforestation regardless of the laws that are set in place. Urban sprawl endangers forests too, with forests cleared to make room for housing. This also includes the creation of roads to access remote forests, which often begins a cascade of deforestation. Once the roads are built, logging occurs, and slash and burn agriculture follows. Humans undeniably contribute to most of today's deforestation through an alarmingly large number of ways. Deforestation affects three major aspects of our world: the environment, wildlife, and most importantly, us humans. Forests are important for the environment on a global scale. They are part of the carbon cycle, where animals take in oxygen and release carbon dioxide, while plants and trees take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen. But deforestation is harming the health of these forests and is causing massive consequences as a result. The greenhouse effect, which traps gas in our atmosphere, is what keeps our planet heated. The cutting down of trees causes an increase of carbon dioxide in our atmosphere, which in turn increases the temperature around the world. We know this phenomenon as global warming, a dramatic change in climate that is devastating the planet. Forests have a significant impact on bodies of water as well. Usually, forests that surround streams or rivers allow those bodies of water to be wider and larger, allowing for more life to be
present. Deforestation causes these usually widened streams to undergo channel narrowing, where the channel length decreases and with it the total stream habitat and ecosystem per channel length. An increase in the risk of natural disasters, such as flooding, also occurs.
Deforestation has a direct impact on our animals and biomes. When deforestation leads to habitat loss, those forest communities experience a loss of biodiversity. This means that these forests become less stable and less sustainable for organisms to live in. The animals that can't adapt quickly enough to the sudden loss of trees could possibly die. These deaths could lead to a loss of biodiversity, which weakens the environment and makes it more susceptible to drastic changes and natural disasters. Furthermore, deforestation can also cause habitat loss and habitat fragmentation, which is the alteration of a large ecosystem into small patches. All of these factors further add to the loss of biodiversity of the ecosystem, leading to harmful effects on our environment. Deforestation also affects humans themselves, even though its purpose is usually to help us. Deforestation leads to losses in food supply for humans because the roots of trees allow for nutrient-rich soil that crops take advantage of. Plus, trees themselves are sources of food in third world countries. Forests allow for a variety of jobs also, so fewer forests mean that the incomes of forest-dependent people suffer. Finally, trees have significantly contributed to human health over the years. A fourth of modern medicine came from tropical forest plants, which are now threatened by deforestation. Deforestation may even lead to an increased susceptibility to insects and other diseases, such as malaria and dengue fever, as humans come into more contact with disease-carrying pests. This may seem like a daunting issue for just one person to face, but there are many ways that you can help combat deforestation. One way is to write to your local government about deforestation in your region and push for more regulations regarding the cutting down of forests. Another way is to volunteer in programs that plant trees, of which there are many. Donations to organizations that combat deforestation can help as well. Finally, you can adjust your own shopping list in order to avoid increasing the demand for products that drive deforestation. The biggest drivers of deforestation are beef, soy, palm oil, and wood products, and avoiding these are an easy way to be mindful of your effect on the environment. Although it may seem like our Earth is threatened by a million issues and is well on its way toward inevitable doom, it's important to remember that we haven't crossed the point of no return yet. It's important to spread awareness of these issues to as many people as possible and make sure that people in power acknowledge that we need to save the Earth from the problem we inflicted on it. There's only so much that an ordinary individual can do, but if the world unites to combat this problem, surely we can find a solution.